So my plan was to give each Pokemon 6 slots, like 2 columns for each of them. So I have like 2 pages for this Pokemon right here. I have 2 pages for Squirtle too, but then I have like 1 column for Butterfree evolution, and then mirroring it to Beedrill evolution. I don't have them yet, Weedle and Beedrill. And then I have this guy right here with only 2 stages of their evolution, so I have like a free slot. And I have this card from Journey Together. He's a bird that doesn't evolve, and I said they're all the same bird, so I put them on like the same page. And then I have this space right here because Raticate and Ratata have like a Alolan version of them. I don't have them yet. I just saw it online. And then I have this together, even though they're not like next to each other in the list, but this is because Jesse and James, Ekans and Coughing. And then a whole page for Pikachu because he have like Pichu and Alolan Raichu. And then I realized if I'm gonna open a pack and then I'm gonna search for a certain Pokemon to add them into the slot, it's gonna be a bit difficult for me. So I said I think I would need to change my plan. So I said I would buy more binders. So I have this binder right here. I think I'm gonna do I'm gonna collect them into their energy. So I'm gonna give each energy a binder. So each energy a binder, and then this binder will be only for cards like this, like a full art, like the special cards. And then I will have this binder for the trainers. I think I would save this for the trainers. This one is for the special arts, and then I would have this for Pokemon on each energy. But I have more coming because I need more colors. So yeah, I think I would start with this one first, and then I would save them until the binder comes in. So yeah, that's it.